Once you're logged in, you'll be taken immediately to the Go Live page. This is the primary page where you would hit the Start Stream button and immediately start streaming content. Just real quick, you'll see at the top, underneath the little microphone symbol here, you'll see Hello Friday Podcast. This is the title, and this is the description. You can go ahead and edit here before you start the stream, but once you start the stream, you cannot edit it. The information here is automatically populated, especially the date and the days is all populated in the settings screen. So no matter what day you come here, these will automatically change. So if we went tomorrow, it would say Saturday, the 9th. Below here, you'll see the different locations that your content will be sent to, either by stream or post-production. You can go ahead and turn them on or off here. However, once you have started the stream, you cannot turn them on again. When you're ready to go ahead and start your stream, go ahead and just hit the Start Stream button, and you are good to go. Content will automatically begin to be distributed out to different social media platforms, as well as, in this case, Alexa and YouTube. We also have NFT here. This is where we embed directly into the audio content NFTs. This allows you to be able to claim your content.